The John Munck Award recognizes the most innovative technical development during the year. Apart from innovative thinking, the product must also have proven commercial success and have been well managed. The award was instigated in 1988 in honor of Atlas Copco's former technical director, John Munck. Mr. Munck was, among other things, the man behind the Swedish method, which revolutionized the mining and tunneling industry. But who was this highly respected innovator? Let's ask his youngest daughter.
He was very sociable and curious. This is interesting. He was dyslexic, and he thought himself that just because he was dyslexic, he had an unconventional way to solve problems. We didn't realize that he had registered around 100 patents.
But did he also work with his innovations at home?
Yeah, he was sitting in the middle of the large living room. He had his desk there, just by the staircase, where we children were running up and down. And there he sat working with his patents in this a bit chaotic family life. He was totally focused. And in Sunday mornings, that was maybe the only moment when he was by himself during the whole week. He had his bath, at least 2 hours. Nobody could disturb him. After 2 hours, the door opened. He came out in a cloud of steam, shouting, "Now I have cracked this damned patent." And then he ran to his desk to get it down. That's a real strong memory. In the 70s, he helped me in my career with puppet theater. He constructed an ingenious mini-theater that could be folded and put into a suitcase. And with that I traveled during 8 years and earned my living.
So he inspired you?
We are all children. My 3 siblings are in natural science, but they are also very holistic thinking and creative. So that we got. Thank you, Dad.
And now John's inspiring others through this award. Would he have been happy if he knew about it?
Yeah, but he was not the type that was boasting. He would have been, I think, shining like a whole solar system, something. Very happy.